Welcome guys to this short introduction to the MOBOTIX Cloud. My name is Brian Chadlett and I'm just one of the members here of an incredible team of project engineers here in the US. Okay, so let's get started. You probably heard us at one point or another talk about our decentralized architecture and how it's different from the traditional video surveillance architectures, where traditional architectures have a single point of failure, and that our architecture, because of the intelligence built into every device, takes away any single point of failure. But now we're going to cover a different architecture that has to do with the cloud, otherwise known as the internet. And whenever you talk about applications that reach out to the internet or remain in the cloud, cybersecurity becomes an important topic of discussion. That's why here at MOBOTIX, we've been laser focused regarding network and internet security when it comes to our devices, engaging some of the top testing platforms to ensure that we remain at the tip of the spear when it comes to cybersecurity. Okay, so if you've been around us for any amount of time, you may recall MX Control Center, which kind of morphed into MX Management Center, which we still build upon to this day, which is a strong, viable client viewer application. And then we also recently released an enterprise level server client based video management platform called the Hub. But today's discussion will be around our MOBOTIX Cloud, which is our totally scalable, manage from anywhere cloud-based VMS solution. This slide shows a visual of the hardware involved in order to have your cameras accessible to and from the cloud. So you've got the devices, the cameras, the IoT devices here, hooked of course to your PoE switch. Your PoE switch then is plugged into the bridge, what we call the bridge, and then the bridge plugged into your router, which then gets to the cloud at that point, and then applications accessing that from the cloud. So the bridge device, again, is your connection to the cloud. You can do local buffering on the bridge, and also up to 15 cameras depending on the resolution needed out in the cloud to your mobile or desktop applications. This slide just to show that any of our IoT devices or Move devices can be connected to the bridge and then again accessed from the cloud. So why the cloud? Well, simplicity to start, no on-site servers required, very easy to use, very intuitive, no application updates required. Okay, so the bridge will automatically get its updates when plugged in and running on the internet. Your return on investment, there's no large upfront cost. Pay as you scale it, so start out small and just license it to as you scale to a larger system if needed. Very easy to customize, and again centrally managed from the cloud, from your cloud account or cloud portal. Security involved, no single point of failure again on site. Footage redundancy, okay, on the bridge and in the cloud, and again can handle small or large camera systems. And lastly, and very important, encryption end-to-end for that cybersecurity. Okay, this slide shows the viewing platforms. So of course you've got either iOS on the MacBook or Windows on a laptop or a workstation. Then you can move, of course, to the mobile devices with the Cloud Mobile app, be it iOS or Android tablets, phones, what have you. In this short clip, just going to show you what the typical application looks like when you access it from the browser. So I'll go ahead and hit the play button here, and you'll see that moving around within the browser in your cloud portal, very easy. I'll show you here the digital PTZ presets on this camera. Again, hitting a preset, coming to that. And then we'll show here the ability to do synchronous playback from 2 or more cameras. So we got 2 different cameras here. We're going to enable the synchronous playback, and now as we slide this time rule here, that you'll see that both cameras are at the same exact time. We can hit the play button, and you'll notice by the clocks both cameras are playing back at the same time. So you can do that with search and so forth. Okay, and then this will be kind of an illustration of what it may look like on your mobile device, be it again Android or iOS. This is my phone being displayed on my laptop here. And again, so I'll hit the play button here, and you'll see again how you interact with your mobile device. So we'll slide across here to the MOBOTIX Cloud app, tap on it. Here I am in the application, and this happens to show our headquarters in Germany on my cloud portal. Turn the camera side back to portrait. Here moving around within, again, the dashboard, showing the different cameras and so forth. So again, pretty intuitive. Choosing M16 on the roof of our headquarters here, showing how I can display the settings and change those. So again, very intuitive. Won't spend much time at all learning this, even without training. You can move around this app quite easily. And then just to finish it out, some resources again to find out more. There's a lot of information, especially in our MOBOTIX community, which is community.mobotix.com. We've got the eCampus that you can sign up for from our website. Join our YouTube channel here in the US for short tutorials, trainings, and so forth. So again, sign up for that YouTube page. We're starting to put content on it. And then there's a bunch of website tools. Again, spend some time at MOBOTIX.com. You'll see we put a lot of information there to help you guys not only figure out what we can do, but also to learn how to use these technologies. So again, for more information or to contact us here at MOBOTIX, please call us again at the number here, 212-385-6126, or send an email to sales@mobotix.com, and then someone will reach back out to you. Again, my name is Brian, and thanks for attending, and we'll see you next time.